In the online world, it can be hard to keep track of who might be viewing your adverts. The Veracity network and its associated VRA coin is used in an attempt to solve that particular problem. But what is Veracity, VRA? How does Veracity work? What is Veracity used for? What is the Veracity Price Prediction? Let's take a look. Veracity Explained. The Veracity VRA. Cryptocurrency is the native token of the Veracity platform. This online mechanism allows people to compete in sports events, as well as allowing people to stream live videos. Users have the opportunity to earn VRA by using the network, as well as by subscribing to events and winning competitions. One of the problems that Veracity is aiming to solve is what it describes as wasted advertising. The white paper argues that out of some $400 BN, PS 304.5 BN of online ads, as many as 40% or approximately $160 BN worth are seen by bots and not humans, and it aims to put a stop to that. It hopes to do this by using something called proof of view, which will use the blockchain to eliminate records of bot views of adverts, thus allowing companies to advertise in a way they know will allow them to keep track of the number of actual human beings seeing their adverts. The organization, which was founded in 2018 by London-based entrepreneur R.J. Mark, also aims to make use of its Verasity.com website to deliver non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to collectors, as well as tracking if they are falsely used. VRA is the token that helps keep the system moving, being used for both rewards and staking. Before we move ahead, welcome to my channel, Crypto Vegas, where we make sure you'll get the best crypto knowledge on YouTube explained with beautiful animation. So, Veracity Price History. Let's look at the Veracity Price History. While past performance is no indicator of future results, knowing what VRA has done can help us when it comes to interpreting a Veracity price prediction. When Veracity came onto the open market in April 2019, it was worth around $0.0005. It mainly stayed around this price for the next 2 years or so, with the occasional foray above the $0.001 mark, but not exactly setting the world of cryptocurrency on fire. Things started to change in March 2021. The first few months of that year were a boom time for crypto, and VRA was caught up in the action. It broke through the cent barrier on 13 March, when it scored an intraday high of $0.01136 and closed at $0.01087. The overall trajectory at this time was upward, and on 17 April 2021, it reached a periodic high of $0.05583. The price started to float back down, and this price reduction was exacerbated by the events of 19 May 2021's Great Crypto Day crash, with the price dropping below the cent mark for the first time since March. Veracity stayed in the doldrums for a while, but there was some recovery in August 2021, and towards the end of the month, it was back to where it had been in May, while September saw a downward movement. The market became bullish again in October, and the coin moved upwards until it hit its all-time high of $0.08683 on 1 November 2021. Again, however, there was ultimately a downturn, as the crypto market was hit by uncertainty related to the Omicron variant of COVID-19, and the crypto closed the year at $0.03421. VRA was still unable to break free of a gloomy market, and the slump continued, with Veracity being worth about $0.0275 on 19 January 2022. By the end of the month, it was down to just over $0.02. February saw a rally above $0.03, with the coin potentially boosted by the news that its Verasity platform was to serve as the official esports partner and exclusive content platform for online shooter Valorant for its Champions Tour Asia-Pacific Challengers 2022. That good news was snuffed out, however, as the market contracted following Russia's invasion of Ukraine, and as of 1 March 2022, it was trading at around $0.024. Even news that the coin would be available on the Crypto.com exchange could not help the price continuing to decline, and as of 22 March 2022, it was worth about $0.021. As the market went through a bullish period, VRA reached up to hit $0.0305 on 2 April. There was bad news ahead, however, because in the wake of China imposing a ban on crypto, it fell to $0.02047 on 12 April. Since then, the price has ultimately fallen, and on 26 April, it was worth around $0.0186. The price has continued to collapse since, and on 9 May 2022, it was worth about $0.0107. At this time, there were 4.47 billion Veracity in circulation, out of a maximum supply of 10,356,466,695. This gave it a market cap of around $48.1 M, making it the 481st largest crypto by that particular metric. Veracity Price Forecast. Longer-term crypto forecasts are very often wrong. We also need to point out that longer-term crypto predictions are often made using an algorithm, which means that they can change at any time. First off, Gov.Capital has a Veracity price prediction for 2022 that sees the coin reach about $0.03 on 31 December this year. The site goes on to suggest that the crypto will be worth somewhere around $0.0585 on 9 May 2023, before going up to $0.117 a year on from then. On 9 May 2025, VRA should be worth a little over $0.18 and 12 months after that it should be just under $0.27, before reaching a little over $0.36 on 9 May 2027. News Bitcoin 247 has a Veracity crypto price prediction that says it should reach an average of $0.026 this year, rising to $0.035 in 2023 and $0.05 in 2024. The site's Veracity price prediction for 2025 sees it trade at $0.072 before it breaks through the $0.10 barrier to stand at $0.10 in 2026. In 2027, it should reach $0.14. The same site's average price forecast for 2028 is $0.21, and it should close the 2020s at around $0.29, before starting the 2030s with an average price of $0.42. There will then be another upwards move in 2031, when VRA will be worth around $0.59. Tech News Leader is similarly bullish when it comes to its VRA price prediction. The site suggests the coin could get as high as $0.026 this year before going to $0.036 next year. In 2024, Veracity can get to $0.052, and it could reach $0.074 in 2025. There is some optimism that it can break through the $0.10 barrier in 2026 and trade at $0.10. In 2027, the target price is $0.15, rising to $0.21 the following year. It can finish the decade at $0.30, while the Veracity price prediction for 2030 is $0.44, before the coin faces the possibility of being worth $0.61 in 2031. Finally, digital coin price is far more cautious in its outlook, although its Veracity coin price prediction does suggest that VRA will go up over time. It says the forecast for 2022 is $0.0143, rising to $0.0156 in 2023 and $0.0163 in 2024. There will be another rise to $0.0213 in 2025, it believes, before the market turns bearish and the price falls back down to $0.0196 the following year. The token will then make a recovery, digital coin price thinks, hitting $0.0253 in 2027. The site suggests VRA can reach $0.0336 in 2028 and get to $0.0438 in 2029. It then predicts the crypto can reach $0.0494 in 2030 before rising further to reach $0.0568 in 2031. In other words, a notable rise, but not as meteoric as some other forecasts. And guys, please consider subscribing to our channel for more such informative crypto videos in the future, and ring the bell to get a knock every time we upload a new one. Closing comments. A few final points. While Veracity is an interesting concept, it is unclear as to whether the system can truly expand and become a key component of the streaming world. Second, while the idea may be beneficial to businesses that advertise online, it is also possible that another organization could come along and become more successful than Veracity. Furthermore, the coin has not managed to escape the downward trend that has been hitting the crypto market lately. We shall have to wait and see what happens. So, wrapping this up, do take note that this is not financial advice. So do your own research before engaging in any kind of financial activity, and play at your own risk. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you will consider subscribing for more helpful videos. See you next time.